This stock is a stock that you want to add to your portfolio long term. I'm going to tell you that right now. As you can see, it is on your screen, AMD. The amount of partnerships this company has is literally insane. AMD stocks trending, going upward. And as you can see, pre-market is down a little bit, but that's a good thing because you want it down. You want to buy low and sell high. But with the amount of partnerships we're about to go over that this company has, just a few, this is one you want to hold on to long term and add to your portfolio long term. Long term. Now, it is down pre-market, but we're going to go over what it is. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. AMD on NASDAQ. Multinational American corporation, headquartered in Santa Clara, CA, California, and has operations in Austin, Texas. Now, as you can see, at close is at $259.67, up $6.75 from the previous day, 2.67% increase. Pre-market is down a little bit. That's fine. That's fine. You want it down. You want to buy it low and sell high. That's what you want because it's only going to increase. Not to mention that its earnings report, third quarter earnings report, is coming up on, sorry about that, on November 4th. But let's scroll down. All right. Here we go. Analysis. News broke late yesterday that AMD and the U.S. Department of Energy formed a $1 billion supercomputer and AI partnership. Not only that, that is with the U.S. Department. We're going to go over all this in a moment. That is with the U.S. Department of Energy. Additionally, AI has secured a transformative deal to supply chips to ChatGPT maker Open A.I. Also, it is developing the next video game console by PlayStation, Sony PlayStation, with AI upscaling. AI powered console with upscaling, which means you don't have to use as much power in the console to make games look better and run better. You can use AI to upscale it, which can limit the hardware strain, limit the CPU, the strain on the CPU and the GPU, and the AI can upscale it on its own. AI in real time, by the way. But these are just three of the things it's working on. All of these announcements come ahead of its AMD third quarter earnings report. And I'm going to show you right here. As you can see, earnings report is November 4th. That's what the Motley Fool was talking about. U.S. Department of Energy forms a $1 billion supercomputer and AI partnership with the U.S. Department of Energy. With AMD, that is. And yeah, this stock is trending. This is one you must add to your portfolio. You must add to your portfolio because it is only going to increase. Currently, the price is $259.67. Over the next year, I guarantee it's going to be over $300. And then the next PlayStation is going to be out pretty soon. Now, within the next 2 to 3 years, that is. That's why I say add it to your. All of these projects are years in the making. So that's why I say add this to your portfolio now. 63 date numerology as well. As you can see right here, 10 plus 28 plus 25 equals 63. 10 plus 28, I'm going to add that here. 28 plus 25 equals 63. And AMD equals 63 in reverse. Z is 1, A is 26. Add the digits accordingly. AMD equals 63. Also, AMD equals 18, as you can see at the bottom of your screen. That is in ordinal. A is 1, Z is 26. Add them accordingly. AMD equals 18 in alphabetic order by the numbers. Today also has 18 date numerology. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5 equals 18. AMD also, Advanced Micro Devices Inc. equals 106. Also at the bottom of your screen. A lot like the number 160. 160 is also 160 date numerology. 1 times 2 times 8 times 2 times 5. Never include zeros when you're multiplying the date numerology. Obviously, it's going to equal 0. But this is a stock you must have in your portfolio. The next PlayStation won't be released for another 2 to 3 years. The AI partnerships with the U.S. Department of Energy and ChatGPT, the chip deal to supply chips to them, those are also years away. So, this will all pay dividends in the long run. Not right now, but in the long run. But if you are going to trade this stock, I recommend analyzing the market for 30 to 45 minutes. Let it drop a little bit. When you see a point where it gets to that inflection point, basically, and it's probably going to shoot up once the news and the stocks, the investors really look into this. 30 to 45 minutes after the stock opening, like I say, let it purge a little bit, let it move a little bit. It should be ascending by then. But I recommend buying within 2 hours. Do not wait too long. 2 hours after opening, 9 a.m. Eastern, I recommend buying it. Now, I recommend if you're trading it, sell it upon closing. Let its value increase. But use your intuition. If you notice before that the stock is dropping throughout the day, later in the day, obviously sell it before then. But ultimately, I recommend following the ultimate recommendation and hold on to the stock long term. Hold on to it long term. Analyze the market, apply your numbers, and use your intuition. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Pray every day. I've been Scott. Join the Patreon. The link is in the description and in the video. And you guys take care. Also, this is the chart. This is the chart right here. This is in real time for AMD stock. Get in on it long term. This is a long-term stock. If you would like to trade, you can do so, especially after its earnings report. I recommend waiting till November 4th. But yeah, this is it right here. You want this added to your portfolio. Pray every day. Join the Patreon.